play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it.
Hey guys, so my tires are in the car. I managed to get my 4 of them in there. This guy. And he's ready. Cozy. Alright y'all, so I got my Starbucks because I'm gonna be sitting in the tire shop, so it's already 11:43 and I haven't had anything to eat, so my head is starting to hurt. So since I'm gonna be sitting there getting tires put on, I decided to get food right quick, so that way I won't sit there and starve. Knowing me, I'm being very, very much proactive and getting food ahead of time. What I got, let me show you what I got. So I got the pink drink. This is the dragon fruit drink with coconut milk. I don't know if y'all can see it. Focus. So you can't really see it, but if you can see it, then this is the dragon fruit drink with coconut milk, a turkey, bacon, egg, and cheese. I absolutely love Starbucks. Then I got a cookies and cream cake pop. I love cake pops and I love Starbucks cake pop. I will be back once I get to the tire shop, y'all, so we can get this thing rolling. Okay, so I'm here at the tire place. I got the whole team pushing, guys. Gonna pull my car around. Okay, so my tires are on. Now we gotta go inside and pay. So let's do that. So y'all, I am back again getting my frozen yogurts from Zach's. We love the frozen yogurt. And here it is. So good. Y'all look. Thank you. Okay y'all, so we are at the park. Me and Cam. I got my I don't know how well this is gonna end walking with this, but we're going in to the trail. This is where we're starting. Come on. Go to sheriff. Come on. Cam, come on! Hard headed. So let's get some scenery going. I don't have the best of best shoes on up here, but
feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe, we lost this shit. Gotta hold my own, my trust is there alone now. Ooh, way to deal, way to kill the food.
That looks really deep. Yo, Cam is crazy. Cam, you supposed to be peeing on everything. Y'all comment down below if y'all take y'all dog on a walk and he gotta pee on every single tree. He gotta stop at every single tree. So I guess it's getting more and more difficult because I keep seeing these as most difficult. Oh, look at the little birdie house. So I've got my little backpack, but I'm planning on like doing a lot of hiking with Cam, so I'm probably gonna invest in some hiking shoes, some actual hiking shoes, and some actual like hiking gear for dogs and myself, just because we typically do hikes a lot. And I'm not an expert hiker, but it is a hobby that I enjoy, and I'm sure Cam enjoys it. He loves it a lot. What dog don't like being outside, smelling all different types of smells? Anything for my squatties. It probably seemed like I'm walking really fast because, again, we are on a decline. Gotta pee on everything. Has to stop every couple minutes, and I hate that. So y'all comment down below if there is something that I should be doing to get him to just walk. I also want to learn the different type of trees. Like let's really like analyze the trees really quick. Like, look how this one looks compared to that one. It's almost the same, but then you got this kind of tree. And then you also got this kind of tree. So I wonder, you know, what kind of trees these are. I don't know. I'm probably doing too much. But yeah. I know y'all like, this black girl is crazy. Not your average, honey. Is it just me, or does this look like glitter? So it went from most difficult to more difficult, so we'll see. I am sweating, so I'm assuming that I did get a workout because I am sweating right now. This is the kind of stuff that aggravates me. Like, yes, there we go, Cam. That's what I'm talking about. So we have just come out. This beautiful green scenery area. So I'm gonna let him run really quick. Cam, come on. I just leave the leash on or connect it just in case I see someone, and I can call him back and grab the leash. I don't see anyone out here. So like if ever I don't see anyone out, I will let him run around. Because he's pretty good with coming back to me once I fall. This looks like something from like Tokyo or some type of anime scene. Y'all don't talk about Cam's leash. He definitely needs another one. Take the long way back. And then we're gonna go ahead and go. Because I have to turn in some pictures and videos today to these Amazon brands. And I also have a workshop to teach. Look at the bee. So we gotta get going. I do have to buy him a new leash, but he just chews them up. He did this. So once he gets out of that chewing stage, I'm pretty much gonna invest in a better one. But he's still a puppy. Like, he's not like a puppy, but he's like pushing one. But he still has puppy energy and wants to play, so he does all that chewing and ripping and all that extra stuff. But okay guys, so enough talking. We are about to get back on this loft. This is a slope, 5% slope. Damn, you don't even have any pee left. Oh, there's a little bit that came out. Anyways, we will catch you guys when I get back in the car. I guess there's nothing more to see. Alright guys. You guys, so we're back in the car. I did fall and scratch my pretty little hand, and I got a little boo-boo right there. But it's really not that big, honestly.
Now that's nasty, baby. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play.